Hey guys, frndly back with another video from CFL-TECH. We're on the desk.net with this streaming media news story, and as always, it will be linked down in the description if you want to check it out. So Google starts integrating smart assistant Gemini into Google TV streamer box. Now this is their very own streamer box, the 4K one. It's a really good one at that. Now let's see some of the key points here. Now they're integrating this now. It's rolling out. Google is bringing Gemini integration to its Google TV streaming devices starting this week. So the week of November 10th here. Now Gemini will live alongside the Google Assistant and handle complicated conversational style queries. Google Assistant will continue to handle remedial tasks like launching apps or checking the weather. So that's interesting. They're not going all full in here with Gemini. They're still leaving the Assistant on board. Now it's saying here as well, now the upgrade allows Gemini to receive conversational style questions and queries and deliver back contextual personalized results similar to how Gemini functions on computers, phones, and tablets. Google says Gemini will work across apps installed on Google TV Streamer and other services that aren't installed, including Google Search. So there you have that, a little more information on how it will work. Now they're promoting it as an upgrade to Google Assistant, so they're leaving the original Google Assistant on as well for at least the time being. We don't know how long that will be. Eventually it'll all be Gemini, we're thinking. But right now they're keeping the original on board for the lower tasks, less intense tasks, easier stuff like how's the weather and all that stuff. Now this will be rolling out. It'll be a broader rollout that will see Gemini integrated in most Google TV-powered Android TV devices through next year, so 2026. In addition to the Google TV streamer, Google has plans to bring Gemini to the premium version of Walmart's on Android TV player. So that's the most expensive 4K device that Walmart offers for the Android operating system. So you'll see that coming next year, and on high-end models of TCL and Hisense smart TVs, among other gadgets. So it'll take some time, but it is rolling out. But at least now they're getting it on the streamer, their very own device. So that's really good to see. We're interested to see how it performs. Now we're thinking there will be some bugs. Now they're rolling it out also for the Google Home displays, smart displays, and speakers. So you should see this as well if you have those devices around the home. Now, we haven't received our update yet for that as well, so we're waiting on that. We did opt in for it. We received an email recently and said yes to it. So we're waiting for that to happen. We were able to select a voice. You can choose different voices. That was an option to select, and we did that. But right now, we're still waiting for that to hit the smart display, the 4K Max display that we have. So we want to see how that is. We have Alexa Plus as well. That's really good so far overall. And they're beating Google right now at this. So this is really important for them to get this launched. They're a little behind. They did acknowledge this. And now they're finally getting to it. They said fall 2025. And here it is now being launched here. So we'll see what happens. Are you excited about getting this on the Google TV? Are you using the Assistant anyways? Normally, the original one. Are you using Voice Assistant? Let us know down below. We put a poll up on the channel, so check it out as well. If it's your first time here in the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know the next video drops in CFL-TECH. Also hit the thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. It's also greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. frndly checking out this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.